Okay, so this is to help you with number 10. What I would do is I actually hid columns C through X, so we could just see B and Y because this is what we're interested in. So we made the first row a filter. So I went home here and I made sure that this is active so we can filter it out. And then we're going to click on the drop down arrow for complete degree or certificate. And I'm going to, where it says right here, I'm just going to deactivate the select all and only select the Y and click OK. And then I'm going to come over here to this race and ethnicity column and I'm going to sort it A through Z. So then what you'll notice is that you only get all the 71 Ys to the top. Okay, so we have 71 here. So what I would do is I would look at, they are sorted now by racial and ethnic group. What I would do is I would probably click over here. And so you've got one Alaskan Native. So what you could say is that you clicked in a cell and you put equals 1 divided by whatever number we had over here. 8. Let me move this here so we could see them both. Divided by 8. Okay, for the Alaskan Natives. And then equals, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 Asians divided by the total of 5 Asian students. That gives you a percentage. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 African American students. So I would say that is equal to 5 divided by the 52 who started. And then we're going to come to Hispanic and Latino equals the 7 of them divided by the 66 who started. You've got 1 Native Hawaiian, 1 divided by the 1 who started. The 2 or more, we've got equals 9 students divided by the 40 that started. And then we've got the white students, which is equal to the 44 of them divided by the 225 who started. Then what you can do is make all of these a percentage. So I select them all. I'm going to click on the Home tab, and then I'll just click here and make them percentages. And then those percentages that you see here are the ones that are in this column right here. So I'll actually make them look like that so they're not so confusing. So we've got 12.5 for American Indian. You got Asian, African American, Hispanic Latino, Native Hawaiian Pacific Islander, 2 or more, and white students. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight those. Do we have any unknowns? I don't think so. And so these percentages are the same as these. I'm going to hold this up here. And so now what you can see is that the group that persisted were Native American, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Islander, because 1 student started and 1 student graduated. So they graduated at a higher proportion or percentage than other students. I hope this is helpful.